if I bought this today, I don't know, you made it was a gift, but suppose I paid £1,500 for it and bought it today and took it to you, a second-hand jewellery dealer, scrap dealer, and said, how much would you give me for it? It doesn't matter that it's brand new because I've paid taxes on it and I've paid metal mining, refining costs, gemstone mining costs, everything. And it is like buying a car. I know it's a crude thing to say because jewellery is, we're all emotionally attached to it, and it's a different kind of feeling buying jewellery, isn't it? But it is the same as buying a new car, driving away and losing a lot of money on it. Not losing. The pleasure is in
wearing it.
Yeah, I had a lady a few weeks ago when she was selling her jewellery because she was losing her sight. And I think when you're selling it into the second-hand market, the open market value is never the same as the full retail value.
In metal.
Yeah, so she said, and she was disappointed, and I offered her a very good price, so she did accept it in the end, and she said, it's really disappointing. And I said, it is really disappointing. I said, go and have a think about it. She said, no, I've made up my mind. She said, I'm just a bit surprised. And I said, most people are. But I said, when you wore it, I said, did you love it? She said, yeah, I really loved it. I said, did it make you feel really good? And she said, yeah, every time I put it on, I felt amazing and I loved it. And I looked at it and she said, I just can't see it anymore. And I said, but that's the investment, how it made you feel, how much you loved it when you wore it and looked at it. And